Hello and welcome to Hybiz News. This is Chaitanya Muddam. India is expected to become the world's fastest growing e-commerce market, driven by robust investment in the sector and a rapid increase in the number of internet users. The growth witnessed in the FMCG sectors was also a reflection of positivity record in the overall macroeconomic scenario and opening of the economy and easing of lockdown restrictions, mentioned Sri V.K. Saraswat, member Niti Aayog, Government of India, in the inaugural session of virtual series Retail 360. Future of Retail, organized by PSG Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sri V.K. Saraswat, while giving an overview of the industry, its market size, GDP contribution and its global ranking, mentioned that the Indian retail industry has emerged as one of the most dynamic and fast-paced industries due to the entry of several new players. He discussed the investment scenario to the industry with foreign direct investments inculcated from corporate giants of the world and government's initiatives to improvise the industry by allowing 100% FDI into the online retail of goods and services through automatic route and change FDI rules in food processing. Talking about the road ahead, Mr. Saraswat emphasized that e-commerce is expanding steadily in the country and customers have the ever-increasing choice of products at the lower rates. E-commerce is probably creating the biggest revolution in the retail industry, and this trend is likely to continue in the years to come. He also highlighted that the long-term outlook for the industry looks positive, supported by rising income, favorable demographics, entry of foreign players and increasing urbanization. He mentioned that there is a need for omni-channel marketing strategy, finding the best technology solutions and retaining and engaging employees as retail corporates to the highest employee turnover rate. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.